Travel, mystical woman, you can feel whenever I run up on you to give it to you, keep you satisfied. Liquor woman, candlelights, I don't wanna fantasize. Think about your beauty, cause cutie deserve a better life. Andale, mami, iya, iya. Me, I forgive it to you every day. Andale, mami, iya, iya. Aya, my shit's up in every way.
So stop sweet talking to me and act like a man for me, because I wanna know the true love you mean. You can't give me. So stop sweet talking to me and act like a man for me, because I wanna know the true love you mean. You can't give me. How much love will I give if I say yes? Say yes, I wanna know right now. Cause I'm tired of hearing guys making promises that they cannot keep. So baby, please, baby, so stop sweet talking to me and act like a man for me, because I wanna know the true love you mean. You can't give me. So stop sweet talking to me and act like a man for me, because I wanna know the true love you mean. You can't give me.
Willing to take my chances, knowing your love could damage. I can manage the precious moment you give with the advantage. See the sparkle in your eyes, but at times I gotta hit the road, knowing that the thought of you's enough for me to keep it strong. Ride along with me, cause I'm thinking I can make you queen. Feel the affection, I will perfect that you belong to me. Prairie Boi, I ain't gotta sugarcoat the way I feel. In it to win it, I must admit it that your love will
How can
kill.
you tell me you